Hey guys, it's Moshi and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be sharing to you on how to make the new TikTok trend, the ID picture trend. So first, you need to open the CAPCUT app and click the template and search for ID picture 2x2 trend. After that, you can choose whatever template that you want, but I will choose the first template, which is the ID picture trend from Apple. Click the use template and choose the picture that you want and the ID picture. You can adjust the picture. You can also edit the text and change into your name. After that, you can export the video without watermark and export with watermark. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoy and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you!